Starting a business today is not just about hard work. It's about picking the right idea at the right time. In this video, we are going to share 20 highly profitable new business ideas to start your new business this year. Number 1. Corporate Wellness Program Provider. Number 2. Rainwater Harvesting Systems for Homes. Number 3. Solar Panel Installation and Maintenance. Number 4. Sustainable Construction Material Supply. Number 5. Financial Literacy Programs for Adults. Number 6. Healthy Vending Machine Business. Number 7. Local Farm-to-Table Restaurants. Number 8. Low Sugar Dessert Brands. Number 9. Smart Home Automation Installation. Number 10. Real Estate Drone Photography. Number 11. Gaming Cafe with VR Setups. Number 12. Urban Beekeeping and Honey Production. Number 13. DNA-based personalized nutrition plans. Number 14. AI inventory management for restaurants. Number 15. Smart lock installation and sales. Number 16. 3D virtual event planning. Number 17. Business credit score improvement services. Number 18. Local farm produce vending machines. Number 19. Biometric identity verification services. And number 20. Regional street food pop-up chain. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.